Hi, I'm Chris, one of the delivery managers here at Titus. This is a short Q&A video looking at some of Moodle Workplace's key functions, specifically looking at how best to support the automation of administrative tasks in your Moodle site. How can I allow learners from different tenants access to the same e-learning? There are a few ways in Moodle in which you can achieve this. One of the main ways is by allowing your site default category structure access to all of your tenants. And this is enabled through the tenant construction process. When you're building your tenants, you have the ability to allocate a category of learning. In this example, what you would do is you would not allocate a category of learning. You would say no category as a status, and then by default, what Moodle will do then is it will allow your tenant access to the site default category structure, thus giving all of the learners access to all of the content. One of the second mechanisms in Moodle in which you can achieve this is by having a category per tenant, and then you can duplicate your courses into each of them categories. So you would have separate versions of each of your pieces of learning that would then be specifically allocated to each tenant. One of the final ways to achieve this is by using the Moodle shared space functionality. Now this is specific for programs and certifications, and what you can do here is you can allocate specific programs and specific certifications to the shared space, thus centralizing the ability to hold this data, and this also gives the ability for users from separate tenants access to these centralized pieces of content. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, please check out the link in the description, where we have a full online series of how to effectively implement Moodle Workplace.